Sorry I'm missing you this first week, but I look forward to meeting you next week. I wanted to show you a quick little tutorial on the Quizlet set, and so I just built that, and I'll be sending you a link in the email pretty soon. And so here's me just pasting that link in the browser bar. I'm sure you guys all know how to do that. And it'll take you to this set of vocabulary, and this is something that really helped me, and so I thought I would do it for you guys in hopes that it would help you as well. The reason I like it is because what I found with flashcards is that it's pretty passive, and I didn't ever have to make a decision on what I thought the answer was. I would just kind of read it, and I really struggled to retain the vocab. And so someone told me about this, and I started to use it, and it really changed my relationship to the languages. And so I will show you what I did. Obviously, you can use flashcards, which is underlined right here, and you can see it. But what I would use mostly is the Learn program, and I would just click Learn, and then I would go through the program until I had achieved all of the vocab. So when you go to the Learn program, what I would always do is go to the options first, and I would go to answer with English. And then if you'll notice down here, it gives you question types. There are flashcards written questions and multiple choice, and then so that's basically what I would use. If you guys really want, I can put audio to these. I don't think it's necessary, but I'm very happy to do that for you. If that serves you in some way, just let me know in the email. Happy to do it. And start over. Yes, restart, learn. So it starts out and it gives you the word with some multiple choice, logos, ha. And I would recommend that you, when you say these out loud, that you say the whole lexical form, or the lexical entry. Logos, lagu, ha is the other way to say it if you want to put the ending with the word. But you just click and say, okay, this is what I think it means. Boom, you get it correct, and it takes you to the next one. Galilea, Galileos, hey. Again, same thing, gives you the correct answer. But what's interesting is, let's say you get one wrong. So apostolos, apostolou, ha. Let's say I think it's angel or messenger, and it'll tell you what the correct answer is. It's actually apostle or messenger. Tells you what I said, which was angel or messenger, and the right vocabulary word with the definition that I chose. And then it'll put it back in succession relatively quickly after you miss it. And so I'll just try to go on and see if it'll actually do that for me. But just what I would do is go ahead and go through all of these, and there it is again. Apostolos is an apostle or messenger. And so you'll notice over here, these are words I'm familiar with, words that I've mastered, and then words remaining that I haven't seen. And so it'll break the setup into 7 words at a time, and you have to get a word right twice in order to have quote unquote mastered it. And so it forces you to make a decision about every word, and I found that it really increased the speed with which I was able to learn the vocabulary, and I hope that it would do something similar for you. So that's why I've done that, and I will do this for the next lesson and for all of the vocabulary for you guys. So there you go. I hope it serves, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. If not, I will see you next week.